G'day guys, Brent here from the ToolShed again. A lot of people come up asking me, Brent, I need a vacuum cleaner that's going to handle jib dust. If you're going to do medium duty work, I totally recommend the Arges 1000 watt wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It features a micro fleece filter which is capable of filtering out very fine particles such as jib dust and concrete dust. Coupled with its 30 litre stainless steel base, this machine can handle the mustard. But to prove that, I've got myself a 25 kg bag of cement here and we're going to suck the whole thing up. Pretty wicked, eh? As you can see, there's no marks on the inside of the filter, and all our cement is in the container. So while you're here, you might as well check out some of our other videos as well.